Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Toni Bryanne and my channel is all about beauty, fashion, and discovery. And if you guys want to see more content from me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. Alright guys, so in today's video, as you guys could tell by the title, we're going to be getting into these super cute bomb earrings by Yafeini. Yafeini is a jewelry company founded in 1999, and you could get any form of jewelry from anklets, rings, necklaces to earrings. I think I said everything, even bracelets. Yeah, it's a pretty bomb company. I ordered these earrings about a month ago and I received them within a week and a half time frame, so shipping was phenomenal. The quality earrings was really good. I love the earrings because they do not tarnish. I've worn these earrings for a few days now, and like I said, so far I've showered with them and everything and they have not tarnished yet. And I believe that all the earrings on their website are said to not be tarnishable, or it's very hard for them to tarnish. So these specific earrings are sterling silver and they have been lasting really well so far. Like I said previously, I really love them, and I liked how even though they were customized, that I was able to get them within a reasonable time frame. So the earrings came in a Yafeini custom jewelry box, and inside the jewelry box was a little cloth to clean the earrings. If I could get it out, hold on guys. This little cloth to clean off your earrings, and it was packaged well, like you can't even like get into it. I like how it was packaged. And then the earrings came in these little baggies. One earring came in this baggie and the other earring came in this baggie as well. So like I said, the packaging is really clean cut, and I love that it does come in a jewelry box, because if you were gifting this to a mother, a girlfriend, grandmother, or anybody that you want to give this to, it's already packaged for you. You don't have to worry about getting a nice packaging. It's really clean cut and simple. On the website, there are constant sales going on. Right now, the earrings that I purchased are worth $68, but they are 50% off, and they are now at $38. And also, all orders are free shipping right now, which is amazing. And there's also a buy one, get the second pair half off sale going on. And lastly, the best thing about it is not only is there free shipping, there's also free return. So if you do not like your order for some reason, you are able to return your item free of charge. And nothing is better than that, because you can order your jewelry worrisome free, which is like the best thing to do, especially when you're buying online. Buying online stuff, it's always a little bit stressful, but when there's free returns, I like to see free returns. It always helps to lift the weight off my shoulders just a little bit, just in case I don't like the product. Another amazing thing about this website is that they do have customer reviews. On most of the items, there are at least a few customer reviews, which is like the best. You like to see what other customers are saying and liking. And at least with these earrings that I purchased, they have a 5-star review by 14 different customers as today. So with all the pros that I said about Yafeini jewelry, I'm sure that you're rushing onto the site right now to go purchase you some bomb jewelry. And just because I love you guys so much, I'm going to be giving you guys an additional 20% off code for your already discounted Yafeini purchase, and that code is INF20. Once again, it's INF20, and I'm gonna be leaving it right here for you guys to use and utilize for your own liking. And like I said, Leo season's coming up. What is it? I think Leo, Virgo, Libra, Sagittarius, Scorpio, and Capricorn season is coming up. So make sure you purchase those gifts along with Christmas. Christmas is coming up as well, so y'all better be ready and purchase you some Yafeini jewelry. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below how you guys like these earrings. If you guys have ever purchased some Yafeini, what your experience was. I want to know all that in the comments down below, and I'm sure all the rest of the viewers do as well. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.